And welcome to Sunny Beach Life, the channel dedicated to Sunny Beach in Bulgaria. And it's October and they're taking the wheel down. Oh my goodness, it's really empty on the front. We'll show you the beach. Some places are closing, obviously never going to open again. And we finish off by having a coffee and people watching again. And so do it again.
Right, do it again.
And top it down.
Right,
It's the third attempt. Susan keeps getting lost.
Right, do it again with oomph.
And take 4. Finally, can you get it right this time? Dub it down.
Dub it in, everybody, on this fine Monday morning.
Yes, October the 13th, halfway through October.
Where's that gone? Where's it gone? I don't know where that's gone.
And they're dismantling the wheel behind us.
Oh, yeah. Some great engineering skill involved in that. And I've just been talking to the guys while they were having the lunch. Where is the wheel going? And they said this year it is going to a Christmas market somewhere in Bulgaria, but they're not sure where until their manager tells them.
Yeah, so this is going to be somewhere in Bulgaria. Spot it on one of the news feeds, I suppose. See where our wheel is this year. At least I haven't got to bring it back as far then.
No, but we'll be back for next summer, so they tell me.
It's a good day to take the wheel down. There's absolutely no wind at all. So this team from Holland are really getting on with the job today. And if you're enjoying the video, Nitisni Butona, hit the like button. Thanks a lot. So we're going to leave this part of the front here along by the wheel and the Glorious Hotel and head towards Flower Street. And there is nobody about at all.
It's very quiet. Even though it's a gorgeous day, it's not cold. It's very quiet, isn't it?
Yeah, there's no even normal locals walking around. It's just, I've got one lady walking past now, but I've never seen it quite as empty as this and not raining or snowing.
Yeah.
Unbelievable today. But there you go, the season is over, we're into autumn, and just nobody's anywhere at the moment down the front of Sunny Beach.
No. So let's go see if there's anybody strolling about on Flower Street.
Yeah, back towards the centre.
Come on.
Oh, I've seen all the beach bars all boarded up and they're empty.
Oh, it is, yeah.
I can hear loads of equipment working.
I think that's the Grand Victoria doing some work on.
Yeah, I can hear them grinding and cutting, doing work. Bit of hammering going on. Of course, the beach bars, they don't really start that till the spring. There's no need to. Yeah, it's months away before we see the sunbathers back.
Oh, yeah. It'll have to be a bit warmer, I think, before that happens.
I think, the people we've seen today have been cats.
Yeah, there's lots of cats, isn't
More
there?
cats than anything else.
And now we're in front of what was this year the Horror Castle. Not sure if it'll come back next year. We'll have to wait and see. But it did look fun in there. There was lots of screaming. So wait and see for 2026. Will the Horror Castle return?
Don't you? You want a home?
Oh, what's the matter? Hey, are you lonely? Because all the holiday makers are gone? Oh dear. Oh, and opposite the Horror Castle there is Colonel Steakhouse. And it just seems strange without Ivan being stood here whistling at us to come in. But we will see him next year because he did assure us that Boris and the Colonel Steakhouse will be open in 2026. It's a great place to have a meal, everybody. Oh, and the Colonel Steakhouse does look nice at night time. That especially when we was up there on our anniversary meal on the roof. Oh, it's amazing. Great views. So that'll be one to watch out for next year, everybody. Yeah.
And we're just near the June Hotel now, and this is Emil's stall, who does the embroidery in the hats. And obviously this hat came from this stall. We send lots of our subscribers to him through the year because they're asking for hats, t-shirts, all sorts of stuff to be embroidered. And it was quite nice because he actually gave me a hat for next year. So I have a brand new hat, because this one's really faded, which I'll put on in January for 2026. I've got a collection now on a rail at home, and they're really faded. They look terrible. A whole summer in the sun and they get absolutely shattered. The colour goes completely. But anyway, Emil will be back next May. If you want a Sunny Beach Life hat, a genuine one done in Bulgaria, you can get it here. If you come to Greet and Meet, we actually do sign hats as well. We autograph a few through the season. In the last week or so, they have been raking the beach because after all the storms, they had lots of seaweed on it. They've had tractors going on it, and they've piled it up. As you can see, it's in heaps now, ready to be removed. And the problem with it is, it's just so many flies. It's really annoying because every couple of minutes it's got one buzzing around my ears. You don't normally get flies on the beach like this. The only thing I can think of is it's all this rotting seaweed now sitting here. Oh, feeling really itchy now. Well, final fun beach bars in the centre here have finally gone. Viking-ish. Palm Beach went a week or so ago, but the final one was Viking. They've given up now. The only beach bar there is right at the far end that we know of, which is Fiesta, right against the Majestic. That's quite a long walk, but that's where we go and have a coffee if we're up that way, because it's the only place there is to stop now on the front, and that's Fiesta right at the far end there. Otherwise, you can't even get a cup of coffee or a lemonade or anything on the front at all. You have to head back in. We can hear music. It's amazing enough we can hear music from Funny Pub. It sounds like they're still open, or I don't know if it's the staff packing away. We're going to have a look. It's supposed to have closed last night. But of course, in Sunny Beach, there are places for the locals open all year, like Condor. We can still go and get a beer or have a coffee if we want to. And this year, obviously, had a major renovation and refurbishment on the Jetty. New railings. It's new decking at the end. It looks a lot better, and in the course of that, pour new lighting in. And I did, when I first filmed it, the new lighting, say, well, they've done it in the Bulgarian flag colours. Red, white and green. And I did think to myself at the time, it's a bit of a strange thought, but navigation lights on marker buoys and boats are red and green. You probably have a ship run into it, so I think they took the colours off it because obviously it's a navigation hazard. If you're in a storm and you see a red and green light, you probably think you're going into harbour. So that you're going to hit a jetty. Not a good idea.
All right, well, this is a surprise. Funny Pub is still open. When we talked to Callan last week, he said they were shutting on the 12th. The last night would have been last night, but it's still open. Music coming from it, it's lovely. The board's back out for the band, so the band's still on, which I'm amazed about. And they've got a dozen customers in, so I might still be open for another day or two. How long? We don't know. Oh, it is a sad morning now. The arena bar is gone, all closed up. And behind me, the bounce has gone. Disappointing. Definitely no more hugs off Chris this year, unless we see him in the street somewhere in the winter. But so the only place you can have some fun now is the Funny Pub. How long for? We don't know. So there you are, guys. It's nearly all over for 2025. Yeah.
So this is Flower Street, looking like a bit like a wilderness today. Very few people about. But that main road that runs at the top there, the other side of that, there are people living. So we've got coffee shops, bars, hospitals, medical centres, supermarkets. You can run your life the other side of that road, but basically this side of it, the tourist area, the beach area, there's basically nothing left now. And there won't be now until May. Well, middle of April, the odd thing starts opening up.
Oh wow, look at that everybody. That's our Facebook page on one of the advertising boards up here on Flower Street. So if you want to follow us all year round, you can look at our Facebook page, see what we're up to, and also see what events we're putting on in the summer. Thank you everybody. Do it again.
We're at the magic board, and it's funny, there's no sunshine at all today. It's very, very overcast.
Oh yeah,
But
very
it's
cloudy.
actually cold, and I think it's going to show. It's the 13th day, it's on a Monday, it's mid-afternoon.
Yeah, nearly just gone 2 o'clock, and it is, wait for it, 19 degrees. That's
Not bad for the
amazing.
middle of October.
Can't believe it. Oh.
So behind me is the Central Boulevard, and the other side of it, away from the beach, it's quite busy because you've got a couple of phone shops, you've got the post office, Condor Bistro, a couple of restaurants. So people actually live here. We have to have areas like this, because obviously up there you need a petrol station, you need medical services. All those things run all year round in Sunny Beach. It's just a huge tourist zone going towards the beach there, where nothing is open at all, and there's no lighting even. It's very, very dark, so you wouldn't want to go down there at night. Now the other problem for a lot of local businesses is if they're trying to get a shop unit and you want it for all year round, you're going to find they actually turn the power off on the complexes and a lot of the units. So it's very difficult to run a business all year round away from this little central bit here, because basically everything's turned off.
Right, opposite Condor and the floor there, you've got the Burger Star. Now, it always looked nice in the summer. It was set out lovely, but it never really did anything. For the last couple of years, it was never busy. And now, look, it's for rent. So if you fancy running a restaurant, maybe you want to run this one. It is a lovely location, and it does look lovely and stunning in the summer. But you've got to get the customers, haven't you? And obviously this one didn't do well the last year or two. Oh.
And as Susan said, this is a really great looking restaurant. Well, it was the last couple of years. Very smartly laid out. Looks beautiful inside with old motorbikes, all sorts. However, we did one night come past and ask them, oh, we'd like to have a meal. Could we come and film while we're in there? And basically they said no. So we never got to film it. We never got to show you it. You never know, might have had a few more people in there to let us film it, but there you go. It's gone now, I think. So last year we had some new hotels pop up, like Noma, the Alu Sol, Laguna, Sunrise, a number of hotels this last year, and we had a number of bars go last year. The Glica bar there went, several others. And this year again, there's going to be a number of bars closing, probably more than last year because of what happened earlier in the season and certain areas really struggled. And we're aware of quite a few bars that are not going to be here next year. On the other hand, there'll be new people taking these places on and hopefully giving them a fresh lease of life, making them a little bit different.
Right, start again.
And it's been a really great afternoon for a walk round on this Monday in October.
Oh yeah, it's lovely. Just have a stroll. Even if there's not a lot happening, it's still great to have a walk round, isn't it? Gets you out.
Apart from all the flies down at the beach, because I got really itchy. I'm still itching from that. Just everywhere. Loads of little flies. It's
Yeah,
horrible.
they were a bit of a nuisance, I must say.
Yeah. So anyway, we stopped for a coffee in Condor. It's open all year.
I've got hot chocolate. It's delicious in here, hot chocolate. Didn't fancy a cold drink somehow.
Yeah. So we're going to have a nice drink and then go home. for the evening, which isn't far away. So it's ciao ciao for now.
Ciao, ciao from me, everybody.
See you again later.
Bye.
So give it to me.
Thanks for watching the video right to the end. We're going to film right the way through now. 2025 is finished. I'm going to show you all the changes in the resort, new restaurants, new bars and upgrades. So you're up to date, ready for your holiday here in 2026 on the beautiful Black Sea in Bulgaria. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos.